channel and happy new year. As y'all can tell by the title, I will be rebranding my channel. I'm just trying to make sure that my channel grows with me. So I started doing YouTube when I was 18 years old. My very first video was like 3 years ago, or coming up on 3 years ago. And I was a freshman in college. I was like 18 years old. I kind of slacked off because during the summer I had to take summer classes, and then I had to work, and then I just didn't have time for YouTube. So in 2019 I started getting serious about YouTube, and now we are here in 2021. I really wanted to rebrand because, like I said, I started doing YouTube when I was 18. I'm about to be 22. I can see that I changed my channel banner. It's more like, I don't want to say like grown and sexy, but it's more of a, like, you can tell that I'm like in my 20s now versus my first channel banner, my first channel art that I ever made. It was more cutesy, more like, I'm 18. I just turned 18. I'm a freshman in college. So I'm about to graduate. I have a different intro now. I made my intro a while back. I changed my profile picture. As far as my content, so what I'm gonna do with my content is gonna be more DIY, more hair content, and more lifestyle content, because I am about to graduate college and my life is about to do a whole like 180. So I kind of want to take y'all along for that ride, because, you know, early 20s stuff happens. So I just want to take y'all on the journey of me moving back in my folks' house, going car shopping, looking for a place. You know, I just want y'all to grow up with me, and I could be more of a lifestyle channel, because at first it was like, oh my gosh, like, I'm doing advice videos, I'm doing hair videos, I'm doing makeup videos, I'm doing like random stuff. So if you follow me on my social media platform, I recently started making wigs. I started making wigs in July of 2020, and I've actually, go follow my wig page. I'm not gonna toot my own horn, but I'm gonna toot it today. But I've just been doing really well. I like my work. Other people like my work. They've bought wigs from me. People give me their bundles, and I make wigs and I color them. So that's another thing that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing more hair reviews, more hair coloring videos, how I make my orders to give people. Follow me on my Instagram to see that I'm going to start selling wigs more. I actually want to start a wig business, but because I don't have the money, I'm going to be doing it 3 bundles and a closure at a time. So I'm also going to take y'all along for that ride as well. I love making wigs. I just enjoy the process. So there's going to be no more makeup videos, little to no advice videos, and all that random stuff like that, rating American Horror Story. Like, I'm not going to be doing any of that. I'm going to be niching down. I'm going to be doing more DIY content, more lifestyle content, and more hair reviews, because everybody loves a good hair review. Everybody, you know, everybody wants to know where to get the good affordable bundles from. So that's just something I enjoy doing. I love doing makeup. I did makeup when I was in high school, but I just kind of fell out of love with it, and now I have fallen in love with doing hair and making wigs. If you come to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.